Hello, welcome back to your channel. In today's video, I will share it with you how we register an account on the exchange, Bybit, as well as kick verification to receive up to 6,000 USDT and to layer 2 FA security settings to make our accounts more secure, right? And before starting the video content, this is as usual. If we find this content interesting and useful, then everyone remember to support, give yourself a like button, as well as a YouTube channel subscription, and ring the alarm to support me. First, you pull down the description below the video, give it to me, and then click on it. Below the description, I have the registration link of the Bybit exchange. When you register with your link, you will get more rewards. Everybody, now you can click on it. Then we'll have an interface like this. You can now sign up by email or your phone number. I will now sign up by email, everyone. After you have entered your email, enter your password. Please note, the password you create must be between 8 and 30 characters. A letter written HOA, a lowercase letter, and a small number. After you have entered the password, then all the parts here are integrated. It's everyone's checkbook. And then you press this yellow button. Next, you pull this piece right here. And then you'll get a body code, Minqui email, or the phone number you just entered. Then I'll copy this verification code. You can paste it here next. So, I've just instructed you how to create an account on the Bybit exchange, then everyone, and so that people can trade on the trading floor. I need to verify the account identity. Hey everyone, the next step is to guide everyone how we can tree wick. To get a 20% discount on transaction fees, you will click on this avatar for yourself. Then you click verify right here. Here's the national part of the region. If you live in which country or region you choose, country in that area. After choosing, you check it here and click confirm here. Next, in the body, by standard, you press the body, then for me. And regional countries, we will choose the country. What area do you live in? Here, you can use your citizen ID, passport, driver's license, or residence permit. But I recommend that everyone use a citizen ID. Here you can verify through the app, or you can verify it directly. But I recommend that everyone verify through the app, and then you press in. And then you take your phones and scan this code for me. You will follow the steps of the floor. So for example, we're going to photograph the front as well as the back of the paper, and then we'll scan the face. And after completing the steps, then you will wait for the review floor. The processing time can be up to 24 hours. And after you've been approved by the platform, then here you will see the word confirmed. Min everyone. And next I will instructions show you how we can set up to FA security on the Bybit floor. At the main interface of the floor, then you click on the icon. This avatar is for me. Then you click on the account. Then you click on this Google to FA for me. Then you enter the code that you were mailed. In this step, you have to go to the Play Store for Android operating system machines, or the App Store for machines that use the iPhone's OS operating system. We'll find and download Let's Google Authentication. When you have successfully installed it, we'll open it up, and we'll enter the code that's issued in the Google app Authentication. After you enter, you are successful. That's how I guided you how we can set up to FA security on the Bybit floor. So I shared it with you how we register an account on the Bybit exchange, and how to verify the YC tree to receive 20% transaction fee, as well as to layer 2 FA security settings. So if you have any questions or don't understand where, then you can comment below to answer. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Press the notification bell. Get the latest sharing from me. Hi, I'll see you in the next video.